Say goodbye to messy masonry drilling and hello to a cleaner, healthier workspace with this dedicated dust attachment. This clever accessory is engineered to capture dust right at the source, significantly reducing airborne particles on the job site. It integrates seamlessly with your Makita rotary hammer, creating a compliant and efficient solution for professional drilling tasks. The clear collection box allows you to monitor dust levels, and the intuitive design makes for quick, tool-free installation and removal. Investing in the 1914 X38 means prioritizing air quality without compromising on your rotary hammer's power or maneuverability. Keep your site spotless and your lungs happy with this essential accessory. The LXT Angled Finish Nailer brings incredible cordless convenience right to your trim and molding work, ditching the compressor and hose completely. Experience consistent, reliable firing, allowing you to quickly and flawlessly secure various finish materials. The angled design is a huge win, letting you easily maneuver into tight corners and challenging spaces for pinpoint nail placement. Its tool-less depth adjustment ensures precise countersinking in different woods, providing a professional, ready-to-paint finish every time. Plus, the built-in LED light is perfect for illuminating dim work areas, guaranteeing accuracy from start to finish. This nailer is a game-changer for interior contractors who demand power, precision, and freedom. HVAC pros, this one's for you. The 18-volt X2 LXT vacuum pump delivers corded-level performance for rapidly evacuating industrial-size AC units. Powered by two 18-volt LXT batteries, its Makita-built motor generates an impressive 4 CFM for efficient vacuuming and rapid deep vacuum down to 3 pascals. The dual-stage compression is key for achieving that ultimate vacuum, ensuring your system is completely purged. You'll appreciate the compact size and lighter weight compared to corded units, enhancing portability on the job site. With a generous 300 milliliter oil tank, you get longer usage between refills, making this cordless pump an indispensable tool for serious HVAC work. When detail and precision are paramount, reach for this versatile 18-volt LXT subcompact sander polisher. It's the ultimate 2-in-1 solution for tackling everything from intricate vehicle polishing with its 3-inch pad to fine sanding of small wood pieces with its 2-inch pad. The tool offers a dual speed selector, providing up to 2,800 RPM in polish mode and a vigorous 9,500 RPM for sanding applications. Its compact size and rubberized gear housing protect delicate surfaces, allowing you to get into the tightest spots with confidence. The brushless motor ensures longer runtime and cooler operation, giving you the stamina needed for those detailed finishing projects. Unleash gas-level power without the emissions or noise with the new 40-volt Max XGT cordless chainsaw. Designed for demanding cutting tasks, this saw offers impressive performance comparable to a 50 cubic centimeter class petrol model, making it perfect for professional forestry. The efficient brushless motor provides incredible cutting efficiency and a high maximum chain speed for tackling tough hardwoods with ease. Safety and control are enhanced with features like a variable speed trigger and electric brake. Experience the freedom of cordless with the raw power you need to take down large limbs and cut firewood faster than ever. This 40-volt Max XGT die grinder redefines cordless performance, matching the speed and output of corded and pneumatic alternatives in a convenient battery package. Featuring 5-stage variable speed control up to 29,000 RPM, you have exceptional power and precision for grinding, deburring, and shaping materials. The ergonomic slimline grip is a standout feature, drastically reducing user fatigue for comfortable extended use. Enhanced safety comes from the electronic brake, which stops the tool instantly when the paddle switch is released. Tackle heavy-duty material removal and delicate finishing work with this high-performance durable cordless tool. The VC013GL is a professional-grade 40-volt Max XGT wet-dry vacuum cleaner, engineered for maximum suction and a clean job site environment. It boasts a powerful 165-watt suction, a large 7.5-liter dry capacity, and HEPA-grade filtration to capture the smallest particulates. One of its smartest features is the Auto Start Wireless System, or AWS, which uses Bluetooth to sync power with compatible tools, automatically starting the vacuum when the tool is used. With a low noise level and an automatic filter cleaning system, this vacuum keeps performance consistent and your workspace quiet. This is the cordless cleaning solution for professionals who need power and intelligent dust management. Ideal for quick shop, garage, and job site cleanup, The 40-volt Max XGT compact blower is the perfect grab-and-go tool. It delivers a surprising amount of air volume, up to 127 CFM, with air speeds reaching 221 miles per hour, to quickly clear dust, debris, and sawdust. The 3-speed modes allow you to customize your output, balancing power for tough debris with runtime for lighter tasks. Its compact, lightweight design means you can easily store it and carry it anywhere on the job site without it getting in the way. If you're already on the XGT platform, this blower is an essential and convenient addition for keeping your work area pristine. Take the strain out of pruning with the incredibly light and powerful 40-volt Max XGT 6-inch pruning saw. This saw is a cutting powerhouse, delivering faster chain speeds and an outstanding runtime, achieving up to 400 cuts in 2-inch cedar on a single 2.5 amp-hour battery. Safety is prioritized with a retractable chain guard and an automatic oiling mechanism for hassle-free use. The lightweight and ergonomic design makes overhead and one-handed cutting much easier than with a traditional chainsaw. This pruning saw is the perfect tool for arborists and landscapers needing fast, powerful, and fatigue-reducing cutting performance. Step up to a truly massive cut capacity with the 40-volt Max XGT 16 and 5/16-inch circular saw, designed to tackle the biggest timbers on the job site. This powerhouse can cut 6x material at 90 degrees and 4x material at 45 degrees in a single pass, making it the ideal choice for framing large structures. It features a generous 0 to 45-degree bevel capacity with positive stops for common angles, ensuring fast and accurate setups. The XGT technology delivers the power and runtime needed for all-day heavy-duty cutting. This circular saw is built to be the cordless replacement for your biggest corded saw, eliminating the need for extensions. Keep your refreshments perfectly chilled, or your food piping hot with the versatile 18-volt X2 LXT cooler warmer box, a must-have for the worksite, camping, or road trips. It offers 4 cooling modes down to a chilly 15 degrees Fahrenheit and 2 warming modes up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring you always have what you need. This unit operates on 1 or 2 18-volt LXT batteries for extended runtime, but can also run on a 12-volt and 24-volt vehicle plug or standard AC power for ultimate flexibility. With a built-in USB port for charging devices and large wheels for easy transport, this durable, water-resistant cooler is so much more than a lunchbox. The 18-volt LXT 1/4-inch narrow crown stapler is your solution for fastening paneling, trim, and light framing quickly and without the hassle of a hose. This tool delivers up to 4,500 staples per charge with a 5.0 amp-hour battery, showcasing incredible efficiency for all-day work. It drives a range of 18-gauge staples from 3/8 inch to 1.5 inches with a slim nose for accurate placement in tight spaces. You have full control with a 2-mode selector for sequential or bump fire action, and a tool-less depth adjustment for the perfect countersink. Its anti-dry fire mechanism and easy-to-clear nose further enhance productivity and user experience. For professional landscapers seeking powerful gas-free trimming, the 40-volt Max XGT 24-inch Hedge trimmer is the answer. The brushless motor delivers up to 5,000 SPM, or strokes per minute, providing the cutting power of a 22.7 cubic centimeter gas model for fast and powerful trimming of thick hedges. The 24-inch dual-action blade with a 5-position rotating rear handle allows for maximum comfort and control in both vertical and angled cutting applications. A reverse function is a lifesaver for quickly clearing jammed branches, maintaining momentum. With up to 6 hours of runtime on a 4.0 amp-hour battery, this Hedge trimmer is ready for a full day of demanding work. Experience powerful, cord-free finishing with the 40-volt Max XGT 6-inch random orbit sander. Engineered to outperform equivalent pneumatic sanders, it features a variable speed control dial that runs the sanding pad from 6,000 to 10,000 OPM, or orbits per minute, for a consistently smooth, swirl-free finish. Its ultra-low profile and superior ergonomics are designed to significantly reduce operator fatigue with up to 41% less vibration. The GOB01 features auto-start wireless system capability, allowing it to seamlessly connect and control a compatible dust extractor for a cleaner work environment. This sander brings high power and advanced features to high-demand sanding applications. The 40-volt Max XGT 25.5-inch vacuum sweeper is an industrial-strength solution, cleaning up to 11 times faster than a broom, and sweeping up to an astonishing 93,000 square feet per charge. Its 25.5-inch capacity is designed to efficiently handle both small dust particles and large debris, with an adjustable main brush height. Dual suction modes, including a quiet mode, allow for versatile operation in various environments from workshops to retail spaces. The 3-stage HEPA filtration system ensures an extremely clean exhaust, while the automatic self-cleaning feature maintains optimal suction power. This lightweight, commercial-grade sweeper transforms large area cleanup into a fast, effortless task. The 40-volt Max XGT compound meter saws, like the LS002G, deliver the power of a corded saw with unmatched cordless flexibility for framers and finish carpenters. They feature a rail-forward design, allowing the saw to be placed close to a wall, maximizing bench space on a crowded job site. The brushless motor provides a consistently smooth cut, and the saw is equipped with AWS capability to automatically communicate with a dust extractor. With wide miter and bevel ranges and a front knob for easy bevel adjustment, this saw offers precision, power, and the ultimate mobility. The MacTrack Deep Compact Organizer is the solution you need to tame tool chaos and bring professional-level organization to your gear. Designed to integrate seamlessly with the rest of the MacTrack system, this box offers a robust, stackable, and lockable storage solution. Its deep compartment is perfect for housing bulkier tools, accessories, or large quantities of fasteners, protecting your investment during transport. The durable construction is built to withstand the rigors of any job site, ensuring your tools are safe and always where you need them. Get organized, save time, and streamline your workflow with this essential storage piece. The DBN601 is an 18-volt LXT cordless finish nailer that offers the feel and performance of a pneumatic tool without the compressor tether. Thanks to its pneumatic spring mechanism, the recoil is lighter, and it consistently drives 16-gauge finish nails up to 2.5 inches into hardwoods like red oak. This upright nailer features an optimal center of gravity, regardless of the attached battery, which reduces arm strain and enhances aiming accuracy. A slim nose, anti-dry fire, and toolless depth adjustment make this a highly productive and precise tool for interior finishing applications. The 40-volt Max XGT Cordless Heat Gun HG001G brings professional-grade heat performance to a completely cordless format, perfect for heat shrinking, stripping paint, or thawing pipes. It can reach a maximum temperature of 600 degrees Celsius with 4 adjustable air volume settings up to 200 liters per minute for incredible versatility. A major convenience is the toolless quick-release mechanism, allowing you to change nozzles without touching hot metal parts. The memory function remembers your last settings, ensuring fast and efficient setup for repetitive tasks. Beating the heat on the job becomes much easier with the Makita BCF050 18-volt cordless mobile helmet fan, a specialized accessory designed to provide a cooling breeze directly into your hard hat. This compact unit easily clips onto the back of most standard safety helmets, using a powerful yet quiet motor to circulate air and reduce perspiration during long shifts. With 2 speed settings and a flexible neck for adjustable airflow, it's an essential piece of gear for staying comfortable and focused while working in high-temperature environments. The 40-volt Max XGT Recipro Saw JR003G delivers excellent cutting efficiency and enhanced structural rigidity, making it a reliable powerhouse for heavy demolition and cutting jobs. A standout feature is the included chain vise, which securely fixes the workpiece, dramatically improving cutting accuracy and control, especially for materials up to 8 5/8 inches in diameter. With a robust stroke length and a powerful brushless motor, this saw cuts faster and lasts longer than many corded counterparts. Its combination of raw power and innovative accessories makes it an essential tool for framing, plumbing, and electrical contractors. The 40-volt Max XGT 4-speed drive impact wrench is a compact beast, delivering incredible torque and power that professionals once thought was impossible in a cordless tool. It features 4 power selection modes, allowing you to match the speed and torque to the application, from delicate fastening to serious automotive work. The variable speed trigger gives you precise control, and the XGT battery platform ensures maximum runtime and high-efficiency performance. This impact wrench is a must-have for mechanics and construction crews who need high power in a light, durable, and highly portable package. That covers the latest and greatest from Makita. Which of these tools are you adding to your cart? Let me know in the comments below.